Alright, next we're going to talk about Rond de Jambe par terre, on the floor, but with the plie. So we're going to do preparation, goes 1, 2, plie, opens to the side. And we're going to the plie, and leg stays on plie, head shifts on plie, leg goes onto the plie to the side, E, close. E goes back, 1, with the arm, E goes 1, head shift, E 1, E back, allongé, sorry, E close, bum. Okay, so very important when you do Rond de Jambe par terre on the plie, go again into the plie, leg is front, you keep that knee and do not go up and down, stay in same level as the leg opens to the side and then goes to the back. And then goes to the side, and then goes to the front, and then close back. And then same thing to the back when you do en dedans. E goes 1, stay same level, don't pronate the foot, 1, head, shoulders, E 1, and back, allongé 1, E close. And that's your Rond de Jambe par terre en plie.